Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix can't buy Robux in Roblox. So sometimes when you try to buy Robux, simply tap on the Roblox icon and then you might see an error that says we are unable to make purchase. This means in-app purchases are currently blocked on your device. To fix this, exit the Roblox application and then open up your iPhone setting. Inside your scroll below, tap on screen time. And then inside here, simply scroll below again, tap on content and privacy restriction. And then inside here, simply tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. And then tap on in-app purchases. Set it to allow. If prompted, enter your screen time passcode or ask the person who set it up to do so. After that, head back to Roblox application and then tap on the Roblox icon again. Choose the amount you want and then tap on buy. You should now be able to complete the purchase successfully. That's it. That's how you can fix Roblox not letting you buy Robux on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.